The shoulder rig I own is from Tilta. It is the lightweight shoulder rig from Tilta. I have only had this shoulder rig for a short amount of time, and I've also barely gotten to use it for any of my films. But overall, the shoulder rig has been amazing. I love it. Tilta, if you're watching this, I love your product. You should talk. Then I have the DJI Ronin RS3 Pro. I have a Portkeys LH7P monitor. Also, all the gear that's going to be talked about has already been in another video. I did a whole video breaking down my handheld rig. So all of the camera stuff will be everything in that